Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today we are going to look at these radicals. Now in calculus, the power rule is used to differentiate functions of the form f of x, function of x, which is equal to x raised to an exponent, where that exponent is a real number. Since differentiation is a linear operations on the space of differentiable functions, polynomial can also be differentiated using this rule. So this is a formula. I've drawn it. Let's have a real value, d over dx, and then we have x raised to n. Let's say here raised to n. Here we are going to have a radical, right? So we have a radical, we have x, or we have another value. X doesn't have to be x, it can be y, it can be a, it can be b. Okay, so this is the same as d over dx. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. D over dx. Then whenever it's like this, you can always know there's one here, and if there's one here, and if there's nothing here, you know there's two, so you're gonna have a half. So you're gonna rewrite it back to be like x into a half raised to exponent half. Okay, so this will be equal to, now we use the power rule to do this. This one we're going to differentiate this thing. Now this will come in front. This is an exponent actually. Let me write it more clearly. This is an exponent, so we bring it in front. It will be a half x, and then it will be a half minus 1. Okay, sorry, it will be like that. So here we can write like, we're gonna subtract it, say 1 over 1. You can write 2, whatever you can write, but it has to be common denominator. So let's write 2 to 2. Yeah, I think that will be okay. 2 to 2, because there is 2 here, common denominator. When you're going to solve this as a fraction, then it's a common denominator. So this will give you it's going to give you a half, and then this into x minus 1 over 2. When you subtract the half minus 1, to give you this value. Okay, once you get this value according to power rule, I think I have to wrap it. So we have a half into x to 1 a half, this one. So what you are seeing, this is with this one, so you can actually do like this. Is up here and 2 is now below, so you can bring this down. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. You bring this one down, then it will be a half into now full x a half, because it's a negative value. When you take it down the fraction, then it will become a positive value. Okay, so it will be 1 over 2x into half, which is the same as 1 over 2 radical of x. This will be the answer to this, which is the same as this. This value is the same as this, because minus x into raised to half is just the same as writing like this. We actually changed it up here. So this is how you can handle the power rule. You apply power rule to a radical. So what I'm telling you here is that you can have different values. It's not necessarily x, and it's not you can have x raised to n power, or you can have a, for example. You can substitute a throughout in this operation. For example, we bring a here, right, and we'll bring it here and bring it here, so it will not make any difference. It's the same thing. So here we have used x to do this. Okay, x to do this. So this thing, last time I didn't show you this part, so today I decided to show you this part, and the rest we are done in the previous video. If you check the previous video, we have done this extensively, and this I left this open, and you can do various examples. You can apply this thing. This means you're differentiating what is here. You can apply many values for practice, and you get to know how this thing works. So this is the thing I wanted to show you, because I'd shown you if you haven't watched the last video, you can go there and watch. Then there's a part that I left unexplained, this one, so now I've explained you. D over dx, this is a formula. This is the formula. You see how it works. This one comes in front here. Okay, it comes in front. I don't know whether you see, or maybe I'm seated in a way that you can see it. Yeah, how can I put this one? D over dx, x to n, n to x, n minus 1. So this comes in front. The rest you can follow. At least if you are watching this video, you must be having knowledge about this, a bit of it, so you can follow what I'm saying. Yeah, man. So we're done with this. We'll go to other power rules, so you can practice, and then maybe we'll go next. I think we'll go to others. So thanks for watching, guys. This is a very brief video, because I wanted to tackle the part I left undone. Next we'll go to the next thing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, like. Bye.